In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand aspect ratios on Squarespace. When it comes to designing a website, the way your images and videos are displayed can completely transform how professional and polished your site looks. That's where understanding aspect ratios comes in. Aspect ratios determine the shape of your visuals, and Squarespace uses them to ensure your content fits perfectly into its design layouts. Whether you're creating a gallery, adding a banner, or uploading a video, mastering this concept is key. And if you're new to Squarespace, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's start by understanding what an aspect ratio actually is. At its core, an aspect ratio is the relationship between the width and height of an image or video. It's expressed as two numbers separated by a colon, like 1:1, 16:9, or 4:3. Think of it as the shape of your visual content. For instance, a 1:1 ratio creates a perfect square, which is great for profile pictures or grid-style galleries. 16:9, on the other hand, gives you that widescreen look, which works beautifully for banners, hero images, or videos. And a 4:3 ratio, that's a classic rectangle, and is often used for retro-style photographs or more traditional visuals. Now, within Squarespace, aspect ratios are applied automatically in various areas, such as image blocks, gallery sections, video backgrounds, and banners. This means that when you upload an image, Squarespace will crop or adjust it to fit the aspect ratio that's either set by you or defaulted by the section you're working on. Choosing the right aspect ratio isn't just about fitting the image, it's about creating a balanced and professional look. When your aspect ratios are consistent, your site feels cohesive and polished. But if they're mismatched, it can distract your viewers and take away from the message you're trying to convey. Now that we understand the basics, let's move into how you can adjust aspect ratios directly in Squarespace. First, click on any image block you've added to your page. This will open up the Settings panel where you can make adjustments. From here, navigate to the Design tab. Once you're in the Design tab, look for the aspect ratio option. This is where you can choose the shape of your image. You'll see several options here. If you select Square, which is a 1:1 ratio, your image will appear as a perfect square. This is ideal for creating uniform, tile-like visuals, especially in grids or galleries. Next, you have the Landscape option, which uses a 16:9 ratio. This gives your image a widescreen appearance, making it perfect for banners or videos that need to have that cinematic feel. Finally, you can choose Original, which keeps the image in the exact shape you uploaded it without any cropping. If you're unsure about which option to go with, you can switch between these settings and preview how the image changes shape within your layout. Just keep in mind that sometimes the changes may take a moment to fully adjust, so don't worry if things look slightly off at first. Once you've selected an aspect ratio, you can fine-tune it further to achieve your desired look. Remember, the goal is to ensure your visuals complement your overall design and don't appear out of place. Now, let's talk about a few pro tips to keep your site looking clean and visually appealing. One of the best ways to maintain a polished layout is to use the same aspect ratio across all your images within a single section. For example, if you're creating a gallery, stick to 1:1 or 16:9 for all the images in that gallery. This consistency helps your site look more professional and keeps your viewers focused on the content itself rather than being distracted by uneven or mismatched visuals. If you want to experiment with variety and include different aspect ratios, the best approach is to create separate galleries or sections for each ratio. For instance, you can dedicate one gallery to square images and another section to widescreen visuals. This way, you maintain organization on your site while still showcasing different styles. And that's how you can understand and adjust aspect ratios on Squarespace. By mastering this, you can ensure your visuals not only fit perfectly into your design, but also enhance the overall look and feel of your website. If you have any questions or tips of your own about using aspect ratios, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.